What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOCAT, with another day, another video. But this is gonna be my favorite video, man. We get down, we racing with the AUDIOCAT today. You see that she's situated, but I want you to take a look at the whole lot here from the shop. We got another HELLCAT. We got another one over here on the side. We got another one over there. We got a ZL1 Camaro. Y'all see this is SRT. We got a white HELLCAT. We got another 392 sitting right there. We got that twin turbo Cadillac V. Now that one they say has some work to it, man. They say that it has it's boosted. We're about to go play with it, see what happens. It's the ATS. It's got some money, twin turbo. Supposed to be a fast car. I'll show y'all what's going on. He just has some work done, so I don't know what exactly he got, but you can see exactly inside here. He's got the intakes. He's got a couple different modifications that are unknown. We're gonna go play with it, see what happens with this bad boy. With twin turbo, we don't know what he got. Turbo, we know what he got, but we don't know.
All I know is he got a tuning down pipe. That's all I can
tuning down pipe, and the rest we don't know. But I know there's more stuff in that car. Then we got that beautiful ZL1 over here, y'all. ZL1. And then we have over there a 6.4.
3 video one day. I'm telling you. That's 3 video. Got it.
And then we have Turbo's car, man. You already know Turbo, man, from YouTube and IG. This is Turbo TV. If you don't know him, that's a fast car. Then we got his sister there. So this one's going on, y'all. We're about to head out to Mexico and do some pools. I wanted to do something out here, man. Y'all about to see the first on my channel. Y'all seen our other channel before, but actually it's missing. They took it from here. But it's King Tony Snow's 300, man. It is a beautiful car. I'm not gonna release this video till he releases his. Tony, come here. But this is King Tony Snow. He has this car, man. Like I just said, I'm not gonna release this video till he releases his, so be attentive for his premiere, but you ain't gonna get to see this after he launches the channel. But we're gonna go out there, go play around and see what happens, man. And we just go have some fun. We got Mr. Real to Real in the building, and we're just gonna go do what we have to do, go have some fun, man. Because these are the videos that I like more than anything, but we're about to find out what's going on, man. We're about to see what's going on with the AUDIOCAT and see if she can still hang. As y'all know, the cat is stock, but she's not real tired. We just putting it back to help her with the grip on it to see exactly what's going on. So we're gonna keep y'all posted. We're about to go out there, just go have some fun and see what happens, man. If we roll and just make this possible, pay attention, they can be full of races. And there it goes, guys. So y'all can see the king of 300s, man, Mr. Tony Snow. Tony Snow's vehicle is a bad son of a mother, man. Y'all gonna be surprised with her, man, but she is a bad son of a mother, y'all. So I want you to pay attention to today. All right, y'all, because this is what we got going on. We got the beautiful Durango, giving y'all a little sneak peek, man. Got that HELLCAT hood on it. Got all that done and situated. We just finished doing all the window tint on her. But we also did the caliper covers that they wanted on the car. Got the rear ones, got the front ones, but we also did the blackout, y'all. So I want you to see one of the key parts of it. We did a whole blackout of the rear taillight of this car, man. You know what it is, 1230 North Beltline Road, AUDIOZone, baby. Today could be a different day from every day. You know I got my young G right there with me, man. Say hi to everybody on YouTube, Chris. You see him? What's up, man? So we're gonna be going rolling, man, and go see what's going on. If we just go have fun in Mexico, man. Pay attention. I already know what Tony's gonna do, man. He just had, open up the hood, man. Everybody wanna see it. Y'all about to see the bad boy.
Hey, Tony, yeah. Here, guys.
All right, man. Hey, check this out, man. This is for y'all, all right? Come on, me and Tony Snow ain't got an intro yet. You know what I'm saying? I be looking for somebody. You know what I'm saying? But here's the thing, man. I'm gonna let y'all see. You know what I'm saying? First here, y'all make sure y'all drop some money. You need to get paid. Bam. There you go, baby. There you go, baby. I'm getting my face etched right here. All right? Going down. It's going down.
Yes, sir.
All right, nigga, that's enough.
Everybody's over here, y'all can see, having a good time, man. We're getting ready to meet up and head out, man. We got Mr. Ken over there, and we're just gonna go have some fun with the cars, man. That's what it's about, man, just having fun. We just gotta do it safely, make sure everything's good, man. But we're gonna go see what happens, man. We got the AUDIOCAT here in the building. Let's just handle what we gotta handle. Let's go have fun, y'all. Peace. A little stronger. I gotta get used to these tires, but it's gonna look good. So we're getting used to the taking off. I'm trying different RPM to see how we do when we hook, but we're gonna be trying to see what's the best RPM to hook on the streets anyway with these tires, and we just playing around and see what happens, y'all. So pay attention. I like it. Getting a little more press. Still got to get more onto the hook, but we're getting there. We're gonna get it going. So pay attention, we're headed to Mexico, y'all. No camera. 1, 2.
Let this guy go.
He's gone, man. 1, 2, 3. Now let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. He ain't doing nothing to me, man.